Hello YouTube, it's your girl Porsche Teair. If it's your first time here, welcome to the party. And if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, hey Niecy, what you been up to? I feel like I haven't did that intro in a little while. Anyways, so glad you guys are here. I know you guys are here for a reason, and you see what I'm about to be talking about in this title. Yes, this is a surprise unboxing because I was not expecting to do another unboxing for a very, very long time, but some good things happen for me. If you're interested in luxury items and you want to know about this Louis Vuitton mini Pochette accessoire that I picked up, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. So here it is. We cover up the address because I don't need nobody trying to pull up at my house because you're gonna catch one. No. But this is it. I got my scissors here and let's get to cutting. I don't even know if I can. Should I do this on camera? I might hurt myself for real. Let me see something. So let me tell you. Oh, so for my birthday, I had decided I wanted to give myself something nice, and you guys checked out my luxury unboxing for my birthday. So it's a couple of items I bought for myself. So on my list, I had the 6-ring key holder, and I had this mini Pochette on my mind to get for my birthday. Anyways, I got to the Louis Vuitton counter, and they were completely out of the mini Pochettes. I didn't know much about it because, again, I'm new to this luxury thing. I did not know this was like a high, an item that people just were obsessing over till after, once I got there, they didn't have it. So I started looking up reviews on it, and I'm like, okay, this is something that I absolutely need. So, I didn't think nothing of it. Came back to Atlanta. Went to the Louis Vuitton here, both locations. Neither one had the item. And I was just like, okay, it is what it is. You guys. So the SA who helped me with my first purchase, the 6-ring key holder. Again, I had went into the store and I asked about the mini Pochette. She told me they didn't have it. Shout out to Linda at the Louis Vuitton Neiman Marcus in Houston, Texas, Galleria Mall. Check her out. Sis came through for your girl. Didn't think nothing of it. This lady just randomly texted me like 3-4 days ago. Yeah, she sent me a text with the picture and was like, hey, Portia, remember you asked about this? We got it in stock. I was just like, what? So this is after I looked at YouTube reviews and seen all how hard it is to get, how you need to stay up till 2-3 o'clock in the morning, how you got to buy it on the resale market for $1,000, for $700. I was just like, okay, I probably am never going to get that item. And she just texted me and was like, we got some in stock. I don't know if she got one, she got two, but she remembered that I had asked about it that day I went in and bought my 6-ring key holder. I'm like, I want it. What I need to do. Did all the formal information, and it was shipped out that day. Like I said before, this came from a Neiman and Marcus location, so it's not the Louis Vuitton, packaging if you were to order online. So here it is. This is it. Super cute. It comes with this envelope. I'm sure it's just like your receipt information. Again, I got it from Neiman and Marcus, Louis Vuitton location. She even gave me the blue ribbon. And we all know this is for, if it was like going to be a gift, you can fill it out. It comes in this cute box and you open it like so. Here it is here. I'll open it. You guys know the standard. Oh, it feels so soft. So it comes in this Louis Vuitton dust bag. Let's pull it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Do you guys see this? This is it right here. This is the Louis Vuitton mini Pochette. Oh, I love the way it sounds. It has the canvas. So I went with the monogram print. That is the zipper. It has a chain. If you guys aren't familiar, you can unclick the chain. Let's unclick it. And you can put it on this side. You can carry it like this as a wristlet. I think I'm going to use it as a catch-all. And I also purchased, so as soon as I got this, I went online because I had seen reviews about how you can make this a crossbody and different things, and I found a gold chain that I'm going to attach to this side so I can wear it as a crossbody, and this is the gold chain that I got. Yes, so that's from Coach. I'm sure you can go on Amazon. I'm sure Michael Kors, Macy's, probably a whole lot of locations you can find a chain. Let's get into all the detailing of it. Again, standard. It has it had a plastic protector over the gold clamp. And as you may can see, it has an LV right there. No scratches. I know a lot of people find this part important. It says this was made in Spain. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So that's cute. Let's unzip it. Oh, it's so smooth. I love that sound. So open it up. I wish it did have the red interior like the Damier Ebene. But you can't have everything you want. I love the monogram print, but monogram print, this is on the inside, does not include the red interior, but here is the inside of it. Oh, so smooth, so brown. I hear a lot of reviews about the leather. So this is untreated leather, and everyone says over time from you touching it, it turns like an orangey brown, or if it gets wet, it gets wet stains. That's slightly disappointing, but it's not a big deal for me. It's not a deal breaker. So I know with the Pochette accessoire that I want, the whole strap is leather. So I know I will have to deal with discoloration. So I'm gonna look up information about treating the leather so I can protect it as much as I can. But on this particular one, it's not a big deal for me. So this is it. So cute. It's gonna be, I think I'm gonna use it as a catch-all currently into my chain, and I'm gonna see how it looks as a crossbody. But I'm gonna grab my bag and let's see what I can fit inside that is already hanging around in my bag. Let me go grab my purse. So I grabbed my bag. Woo-hoo. You guys seen that in my haul. I've been rocking this. Super cute. I just love the sound of the chains. So here's my mini Pochette. Let's see what's in this bag that I can fit in here. Okay. Okay, AirPods. I'm sure my AirPods can fit. Oh. Okay, AirPod is in there, nice and secure. Let's see what else. I have so much stuff, you guys. Let's see, I have hand sanitizer, Laneige, lip balm. I think I'm gonna stand that on that side. Okay, that's in there. This, I don't know about that. That might make it bulky. I don't know about that, you guys. Let's see what else I have in my purse. So I have my Lord, my card holder. So we're gonna put that in here. So my card holder's in there. My 6-ring key holder. Let's see. Let me zip it up. I'm gonna move the Laneige lip cream. If you have a key fob, I'm sure it won't be as bulky as my key. So that makes it look real wonky like right there. You guys see that? That's not a cute look for me. I want it to be flat. period. Here is the mini Pochette accessoire. We're gonna call it a mini Pochette accessories because I'm sure I have murdered it, and it's gonna be one of y'all. It's gonna be a few of y'all just dragging me. I do not speak any French. Okay. Go over what's inside. So I'm gonna unzip it. I have my Fenty gloss, my AirPods, tissue, card holder, and voila, those are all the good things that were inside. I'm sure if I took out the tissue, I could put more lip products, you know, your lady products on the inside of this. This is just a beautiful addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. Only have SLGs right now. That canvas, you just know that it's going to be durable. Let's go. So classy, elegant. I'll leave it below where you can get it, but we all know how it is. How to get your hands on a mini Pochette. I do not suggest buying it resale. I got on Farfetch and I seen someone selling this for like $700+. In my opinion, it is not worth doubling, tripling the price on that. It's not that serious. I say get in the loop with an SA. Fortunately, I had a very good SA. She remembered what I asked for and reached out to me when they got it in the store. And I was shocked. Like, oh, you asked me about this. We got some in stock. Do you want it? Like, girl, yes. So it was Christmas and my birthday all over again because I was not expecting that. So I would suggest keep calling the stores, keep checking the sites. There's a lot of people that give information on how you can get it online. From my understanding, you got to be on there at crazy hours of the night, but already be logged into your Louis Vuitton account so you can throw it in your bag and check out immediately, because I heard as soon as it posts, it disappears. And I can agree, when I first was interested in it, I was looking it up, and every time I would look on the site, it would say call for inquiry, unavailable. I never seen it on the website, so that was my experience. But again, I wasn't stalking it, so I'm sure if I was a little more persistent at one point or another, it may have been on sale and I just missed it because I wasn't paying attention. But shout out to the SAs who's looking out for their customers. You guys are the real MVPs. That's my video. That's my unboxing of the mini Pochette accessory from Louis Vuitton, and I showed you guys what fits or how to put it, what you can store in the bag, gave you some ideas of different ways you can wear it. So I hope that this video was informative to you. I'm sure you're here because you either want the bag or you just wanted to get my opinion, or you may not have any interest in the bag, but now you're like, I might need to get that. So I hope this video helped you in some positive way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please tune in to my social media right there. Follow me. You know, I like to post in my stories. I make Instagram posts. You know, I'm really interactive. I mean, I'm not popping like that, so you hit me up, I'm definitely gonna respond. Like, I'm gonna respond. Thank you guys so much for your support. Continue to subscribe to this channel and tell your friends to subscribe, because I'm coming with more and more content. Okay? Do you hear me? Thank you guys again. I will catch you guys on my next video, and peace out.